Okay, so like group of three, and we created a software for that. Um, we actually created a quiz, an online quiz app. Um, the quiz allows the user to select the number of questions, select the category. Actually, we have about I think 10 categories. Select the difficulty level, and then select the time per question. So I'll illustrate the front end first. So I can choose, let's see, 5 questions, any category, terms, difficulty, easy, seconds, take 10 seconds per question. So I'll answer the questions. You can see the bar at the top there shows your time left. So after answering each question, it shows you the correct answer. Over here, the correct answer is the one labeled green here. That is another functionality of our app. After each answer, it shows you the correct answer. And then at the end of the quiz, it will give us our final score. Whether you got one, you got all correct. It will display it at the end. So over here, I didn't get any of the questions correct. So then we dive into the back end or the coding side of the app. So we use HTML, JavaScript, and then CSS. We use HTML, JavaScript, and then CSS. So I start with the HTML code. So I move on to the div tag. So this part with the code right here, the div tag. Inside the div tag, you have the option value tag, which displays the time you can select per question. You have 5, 10, 15. The maximum option is 20. And then you go down, all this belongs to the option value. So there, you go down, and they also have the option value tag right here, which contains the options you have for the category of questions. We have the general knowledge, books, films, music, television, video games, board games, science and nature, and then so on. So I'll move on to my JavaScript code, which enables the functionality of the app. In the JavaScript, you can see right here, this is the API. We use an API, which that's where our app fetches the question from real time. The name of the API is OpenTDB. So then move on to the CSS, which is used for the styling of the web page, the color of the web page, the background color, and everything. So then we move on to our project overview. So this project is a dynamic web-based quiz app that fetches trivia questions from an external API, OpenTDB. It provides a customizable, sorry, it provides a user experience including category selection, difficulty number, and time limit per question. The UI is designed to be responsive and engaging, now enhanced with animated gradient backgrounds for visual appeal. So our features implemented include question configuration. So as I said, users could select the number of questions as I illustrated at the earlier part of the video. Um, Display time per question with a dynamic progress bar like I showed. Answer feedback shows us the correct answer immediately answer a question and submit like our answer. Score display at the end of everything, it displays our total score. So our agile sprint duration was 1 week. Sprint goal sprint goal was to implement a fully functional interactive quiz platform And our key achievement at the end of this project was that we were able to create a front end logic with JavaScript to manage our timer, progress bar, and scoring. We have a responsive layout with accessibility considerations. We also managed to create a clean and animated UI using modern CSS. Our fetching and passing API data for real-time question loading was also very successful. So at the end of this project, we were able to create a fully functional quiz app